You need to answer 5 out of 5 questions correctly. All aboard for an Indian Railway History Challenge. Who introduced first railway in India? Lord Dalhousie or Mahatma Gandhi or Jawaharlal Nehru? Correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. When was Indian Railway founded? 1853 or 1920 or 1947? Correct answer is 1853. Where was first railway line laid? Mumbai to Thane or Kolkata to Chennai or Delhi to Agra? Correct answer is Mumbai to Thane. Who was the first railway minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru or N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar or Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar. What was the first train's locomotive name? Sindh or Bharat or Sahib? Correct answer is Sindh. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mind Maze for more fun and brain-teasing videos.